Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to promote Redbubble products. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first thing I want you to know, what is Redbubble website? For those who don't know what is this website is for designers, where you can design some designs for products such as t-shirts, cups, mugs, even phone cases, and so on. And here you can preview these designs on this website. And so Redbubble can provide you a lot of products and designs in order to advertise your products and designs and so on. And so the first thing you need to do in Redbubble is go here over this icon, which is your account, click on it, and then click on this button, the red one as you can see here. And then these are the strategies and the text and tips, and also some hints to help you to start your product or start your own business to sell some products and some designs and so on. And so the first you need to create a product and then set up your shop. And then once you do these two steps, at the end you'll get paid because the people are gonna buy your products and your designs, right? And so we're gonna click here and add new work, just the website verifying that we are not the robots. Now we direct here to this page. And so here we're gonna click on this icon to upload a new work. So we're just gonna click on it to get a design. I already created a design, so I got this one here. I'm gonna click on it, double click, and then we just need to wait until it's getting 100%. And just one more thing to set the expectations on this place. The background will be removed in order to get this PNG picture, so we can add this picture on the products, on the designs, or even though on the phone cases or cups like we mentioned, right? And so we're gonna need to remove the background in order to get the design. So we go here to this website, remove background. You can just write BG remove on Google and then click on here to upload an image, and we got this one here. We're gonna click on it, double click to upload this image in order to remove the background. Just wait a few seconds until it's getting. That's it. Once processing, as you can see, the picture has been removed, the background. So we're gonna click on download because now we got a PNG picture in which has no background. And so the next step, we go back to the website here. We'll double click on the image to upload the new image without the background that we made a few seconds ago. And then we jump into downloads and double click on this picture without any background, which is a PNG file, and then it's been uploaded here. So we'll give it a small title here or a name to the file. And then now here we're gonna add some tags, in which is you can consider as kind of SEO, which is search engine optimization, and that kind of can help us to get more results, which is the hashtags. And I suppose we can upload up to 15 hashtags. So I'm gonna add some tags here, and then on this section it's the description of the picture itself. And then now here we can preview the sticker or the design on the products, such as t-shirts, the hats, and so on. We have multiple choices to review, and also we can choose our products. So in my case, for example, I would go here. I'd rather choose t-shirts. I think hats could be good enough as well. Also we got this one. I don't know, probably I can get this one. And also the mouse pads, good enough. So we have more options to choose over here. I think I choose what fits me, and also we have clocks as just mentioned, and also we got this picture here. Okay, so now that's good enough. I believe that's good enough so far because we have a lot of options to choose and multiple choices. And then here we have up to 2 selections, so we need to take this carefully. I'm gonna pick up I don't know, maybe change. Okay, that's one. And then click on no over here, and then on this options you need to choose the definition that fits you. I would go with stickers. Okay, and then once done, and once we choose all of our products and we choose the settings, definition, and stickers and so on, we'll click on save work over here and wait a few seconds until it's processing to 100%. And once getting to 100%, this work has been saved and the people can reach this out. Okay, so now here we can preview our sticker on all the products such as hats, t-shirts, and also some iPad cases, and also we have some stickers over here in which we can preview the products, and we can see the sticker on all and each product here that we got from our end. Okay, and so now we need to have some hashtags in order to promote for our product, right? And so we go here for Instagram search, and we're gonna search for a hashtag that has a lot of views in posts. So let's search for NFTs. Okay, and let's pick up, for example, this one here. Okay, and so as you can see, we got 7 million posts so far, in which this kind of marketing, where you can post the picture here of your product, such as t-shirt, hat, or even phone cases, with the hashtag, which is have 7 million views so far. And so the viewers can see it and go to your store on Redbubble. And then here we go to a website that called All Hashtag, in which this website can help you to get you more hashtags that can fit your product, that can help you with getting your post or go viral in order to promote your products on the website. And once generating the hashtags, you can get these best results. So we got here 21 hashtags that can help you with. So we're gonna copy all these hashtags and go back to Instagram and start create a new post. And in order to create a post, just click on here on create, and then you can add a post from. Okay, I'm sorry, I just forgot to save the picture. So let's go back here to the website, in which you can, for example, this one here, you can share it directly to Instagram from this way, or you can right click and save the image and upload it to Instagram directly. And so here I'm gonna save some images from these ones. For example, I got one, and I got this also as well. I'm gonna save this image on my computer, and let's pick up this one. Okay, so we have 3 pictures so far. Let's choose also, okay, that's good enough, and go back to Instagram and then create a new post. And we have these the products that we saved, or the pictures that we saved a few seconds ago on our computer, and then we can preview all of them over here. And then we'll go to the next step in order to upload the picture, if we have some filters and so on. And here we're going to put the hashtags that we copied a few seconds ago from all hashtag websites. And so here also, as mentioned, once we put the hashtags, I don't know, we maybe can add some keywords or some more description, even though we can write a content over here on this page. Also we can get the link of our page on Redbubble in order to let the people go directly to our website or our shop or even store. And that's a small tips about how you can do this. And that was all today's video. And so we showed you how to use the website, what is the website, how to get more products, or even to preview your products, and how to get hashtags to remove the background and upload a post on Instagram. And that was all today's video. I hope that you liked the video so much. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the button, and thanks for watching.